Hi, brother teacher here again with another health fact piece of information as it relates to cooking oils. I want to remind you some and introduce to others the dangers of cooking with certain types of cooking oils, the ones that you should look out for and avoid, and to never ever use when you fry or cook your food. And the one that you probably would not expect me to mention would be vegetable oil. Probably the most common cooking oil that you will find on the market. It is probably marketed more than any other cooking oil, but the way in which it is processed is what makes it dangerous to our health. So we have vegetable oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil, corn oil, and soybean oil. All of these oils that I just mentioned to you are highly genetically modified, and it causes inflammation. It destroys the good bacteria in your gut, and when your good bacteria is destroyed or diminished, it causes inflammation, and it compromises your immune system, because your immune system is 70% located in your gut. So what happens when your immune system is compromised? You are inviting harmful elements into your system, cancer causing elements as it were, and you're going to be very ill, and ultimately you're probably going to die. So what are the good oils, brother teacher? I'm glad you asked. Coconut oil is excellent for cooking, medium to low heat. Extra virgin olive oil is good for cooking, medium to low heat. Avocado oil is excellent for cooking or frying, even at a high heat. It can tolerate heat better than the other two that I just mentioned. So you have three. Some might say animal fat. Since I don't eat pork, my animal fat would be beef tallow or beef fat, as an alternative to the ones that I mentioned originally, the first five: soybean and cottonseed and vegetable oil and so forth. So the ones that I just told you that are safe, again, are coconut, avocado, and extra virgin olive oil. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with the olive oil, let me tell you this before I close. Olive oil is in a dark colored bottle for a reason. It oxidizes and it becomes volatile in the human body once you consume it, and even more so when you heat it up. It becomes unstable in the human body, creates free radical situation in the human body, and ultimately again cancer causing. So when you buy olive oil, make sure that it's not just any kind of olive oil. Make sure that it's certified organic virgin, extra virgin olive oil. Once you pop the cap, you smell it. It smells like vegetation. It smells like olives. It smells like it's raw nature. If it doesn't and it's subtle, it's probably a counterfeit and it has been watered down, which is not indicative of real olive oil. So take these things under your thumb as a piece of information in the footnote and utilize them by all means, and expect to have great health. This is Brother Teacher. If you have any questions concerning this subject or any other subject as it relates to your health, please do ask. And if I don't answer you immediately, I will answer you by the end of the day. Okay, so long.